Welcome back again to our channel SQ Code Club. I am Swaranjali along with Shari. Today we are going to tell you about a special feature of Notepad++ that is a page special. Like you might have used Notepad++ for opening n number of files like HTML file, CSS file, any source file, all the web related files and so on. Also you have done copy and paste operation on it, but there are some files which can't be copied and pasted by a regular manner, like the files which include semantic functions or which supports insertion of other formats or any binary file. Those require another type of copy and paste operations. So to let's see how it works. First of all, open your Notepad++. I'll open up the image file, that is the minions.png, in the Notepad++. Okay, now I'll select everything, say copy. I'm doing a simple copy operation like regular copy operation and regular paste operation in the another file. All these binary content from the minions.png got pasted in the another file, right? So now I'll save this, say new one.png, set type as all types. Okay, say save. Now this was the image that I just copied and pasted, that its binary content, right? So what it's visible is, let's see whether the image gets opened or not. No, sorry, it doesn't get opened. That is, it shows that this file format is not supported. So to overcome this limitation, we use a special feature, that is a paste special feature. Again, we'll select all the contents of minions.png, go to edit in the menu bar, select paste special, in that copy binary content. Okay, now we copied this binary content and we are pasting it here. While pasting also, we don't require any regular paste operation but a special one, that is paste the binary content, right? Now this got pasted. Let's save it. Now I'll save it as say new 2.png. Set type as all types and save. Let's see what is it's visible. This is new 2.png and voila, the image gets opened. And this is how a paste special feature works. It doesn't lose the data, but it pastes our binary content as it is, also copies it as it is. I hope you liked our video. So stay tuned until our next video comes, and like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy coding!